professional hair care system. It's like having your hairdresser in the bathroom.
Okay, dear, you've got yourself a castle. No, it does not mean you're a duchess. You just got 23 more dining rooms. Check Alaskan Oil. I don't care whose friend he is, use phony numbers. Fire him. Pull over.
It got better.
It's all right. You got yourself a lift. Get in. Damn clever trick with that leg, son. I pulled a trick like that myself once. Buying a radio station from an old widow in Oklahoma City. Would you like a drink? Armagnac, 1929. Cost me $600. One marriage and 2 ulcers.
What is an ulcer?
What's an ulcer? What's an ulcer? You should meet my wife.
Hay fever. Polonese relieves itchy eyes, sneezing and runny nose. 1 tablet daily, no fear of drowsiness. Polonese for hay fever.
Right now at Burger King, there are thousands of flaming tasty dishes to be won. From free Whoppers to new BSB satellite dishes. When you play the Whopper scratch card game. Just reveal in the right order 3 of the things in a flame grill Whopper, like lettuce, onion, tomato, and all the trimmings. And even if you don't win one of these flaming tasty dishes, you could win one of these flaming tasty dishes. So don't hang about. Tune in to the Whopper game at Burger King now.
Quiet power, engineered by Honda.
The sports coverage that makes waves. Wake up with the Mail on Sunday.